drone intrusions, and what capabilities we have, we can very clearly say that we need to, to develop additional capabilities which we perhaps at the moment lack. And first of all, I would call detection capabilities, because our systems till now perhaps are good to detect air fighters, to detect missiles, but when small drones are coming very low, we need to have radars, we need to have acoustic sensors, whatever, all the different technological equipment, which again, Ukraine has good experience what really is working in the most effective way. There are things which we can which are produced by different producers, both in Europe but also outside of Europe. And I think that this capability should be our first priority, really to establish network of detectors. All the different experts know what kind of detectors we need, where they need to be placed, and of course we need also that those detectors should be in our systems of surveillance should be integrated, that we could see what is coming maybe in our neighboring countries of this frontier countries. So, but detection is crucial. Second, definitely we need to look into effective means how to destroy radars if they are entering our airspace. And here are several things. Of course, first of all, electronic warfare means, what the Ukrainians are using very much, how to jam those drones which are coming into our airspace. There are, again, capabilities which we need simply to acquire, to procure, and to start to employ them. Second, what now we can see in battlefields of Ukraine, drone interceptors are becoming very, very effective. Those capabilities are also growing very rapidly, and we need to look also how we can build those capacities in our defense lines. And the last point at the moment is what we can call, traditional classical artillery, Zenit artillery, whatever, machine guns, on mobile groups, which again Ukrainians are using them in a very effective way, and that's what we can use. Next, of course, the countries which have some kind of capabilities on air, helicopters or air fighters, they can be used, but again, the question is the price of, if you are using air and air missile from your air fighter to shoot the drone, then you are using maybe a missile which costs 1 million to kill the drone which costs 10,000. That's what of course needs to be always decided on spot. The last point is we need to be also very much looking into the future, because we can hear publicly announcements that some countries and some industries are starting to find totally new instruments, like, for example, lasers, to fight against drones. So if that technology will come, definitely we need also to be ready to use.